Hi all. In the previous video, we were discussing about average rate of return. Hope you all have viewed the videos. In this video, let us see how to do a problem relating to average rate of return. So, let me show you a question relating to average rate of return. See, before going to the problem, for calculating average rate of return, there are two different approaches and accordingly there are two formulas. ARR, average rate of return is equal to average annual earnings from profit divided by original investment into 100. And another one formula is ARR is equal to average annual earnings in the project divided by average investment in the project into 100. So these are the two formulas where we which we use to calculate average rate of return. Here, our average annual earnings means total of expected annual earnings after depreciation and tax divided by number of years. And original investment means it is the total cost of project. Here, average annual earnings divided by original investment. So, average annual earnings means total of expected annual earnings after depreciation and tax divided by the number of years. And original investment means it is the total cost of project. Average investment means it is calculated in two ways. If a salvage value is not given in the question, then it is calculated using the formula original cost of project divided by 2. If the salvage value is given in the question, then it is calculated using the formula original investment plus salvage value divided by 2. So these are the two formulas used for calculating average investments. If salvage value is not given in the question, original cost of project divided by 2, and if salvage value is given in the question, original investment plus salvage value divided by 2 is the formula. So here a question relating to ARR is given. In this, estimated cost of a project is rupees 5 lakh. The return after depreciation and tax during the life of asset are estimated to be rupees 1,50,000, 1,25,000, 1,75,000 and rupees 50,000. And the question is to calculate ARR. So as you all know, the formula for calculating ARR is average annual earnings from project divided by original investment into 100. Here annual earnings is calculated using the formula expected annual earnings divided by number of years. In the question, estimated cost of a project is given, that is 5 lakhs. The return after depreciation and tax is also given. For first year it is 1,50,000, second year it is 1,25,000, third year it is 1 lakh, fourth year it is 75,000 and the fifth year it is 50,000. And in the question they are asking you to calculate ARR. So these are the formulas used for calculating ARR. Average rate of return is equal to average annual earnings from project divided by original investment into 100. Annual earnings is expected annual earnings divided by number of years. So let us see how to calculate a problem using this method. And the first thing is to find out the annual earnings. Annual earnings is found out using the formula expected annual earning divided by number of years. So expected annual earning means in the question it is given the earnings of a project is given in the question. So what we are doing is simply adding all the earnings given in the question. So by adding all the values given in the question, you will be getting the total of 5 lakhs. And the number of years is 5. It is not separately mentioned in the question, but they have given the earnings for 5 years. So from that we understood that the number of years is 5. So how we calculate is expected earnings divided by number of years. Here the total expected earning is 5 lakhs and the number of years is 5. So 5 lakhs divided by 5 is 1 lakh. So 1 lakh is the annual earnings. So annual earnings means an average for an year it earns 1 lakh rupees. And the formula for calculating ARR is average annual earnings from project divided by original investment into 100. So average annual earning is 1 lakh divided by original investment. Original investment means the amount that is invested in a project that is given in the question, that is 5 lakh rupees. So earning annual average annual earning is 1 lakh divided by original investment is 5 lakh into 100, that is 20%. So ARR is average annual earning from this project is 20%. And the next one is by using the formula average annual earnings in the project divided by average investment in the project into 100. In this question, salvage value is not given. So we are using the formula original cost of project divided by 2. It is given in the beginning. So if in the question if salvage value is not given, the formula used is original cost of project divided by 2 in order to find average investment. So here in the question is it is also given. So we are using the salvage value is not given in the question. So if there is no salvage value, the formula is original cost of project divided by 2. Original cost of project is 5 lakh, that is given in the question. Estimated cost of a project is 5 lakh, it is given in the question, divided by 2, that is 2 lakh 50,000. So how we are finding ARR is 1 lakh, that is the average annual earning we already found out, that is 1 lakh rupees, divided by the investment, average investment is 2 lakh 50,000 into 100, that is 40%. So in this video we were studying about ARR, average rate of return. It is calculated using two approaches and using two formulas: average annual earnings from project divided by original investment into 100, and also average annual earnings in the project divided by average investment in the project into 100. So if while finding average investment, we use two formulas. If salvage value is given, we are using the formula original investment plus salvage value divided by 2. If it is not given in the question, we are using original cost of project divided by 2. So this is how a problem gets solved. Thank you all for listening to me.